Hello everybody, how are you all? Hope you're doing great. Welcome back to another session of Learning English with me. Today, I have a very important and a short vocabulary plus grammar lesson for all of you. A very commonly confused topic, a question that a lot of people ask me, that is the difference between these two words. Everyone versus everybody. Now, these two words are commonly confused and I'm going to tell you the difference between them. I'm Shivangi Gupta, your CELTA certified English language tutor, certified by the University of Cambridge, the UK. And you're watching Speak English with Shivangi. Before beginning, please subscribe the channel so that you don't miss out any lesson. You get one video lesson every day on this channel. Please like the video and share it with your friends too. Share it as much as possible. Now coming back to the lesson, everyone versus everybody. What is the difference? First of all, let me tell you that the meaning of these two words, it's exactly same. There is a slight difference that I will tell you. First of all, one misunderstanding that people have is everyone and everybody, they might have a difference in singular form, plural form. It's nothing like that. They both are pronoun and they are singular subjects. So both the words, they act as singular subjects. Everyone and everybody, both are pronouns. That means a group of people. When you're addressing a group of people, use this word to show a group of people. Now there is a slight difference that sometimes it's believed that when you use everyone, it means that you're addressing each and every person in a group, within a group. And when you say everybody, you're addressing to the whole group as a single unit. Still, the way you use it and the meaning does not change. You can use both the words interchangeably. The major difference between these two words is in their tone. Tone is basically how you're using them. The word everyone has a formal tone. That means you use everyone in formal settings. This is considered as a formal word. And the word everybody is a casual word. It has casual tone. So you use this in your normal day-to-day conversations, casual settings. With your friends, you use the word everybody. In formal settings, you use the word everyone. For example, in office meetings, presentations, speech, you will use the word everyone. And when you're out with your friends, you're with your family, you're referring to a group of people casually, you'll say everybody. Okay, let's look at some of the example sentences. Everybody was excited to watch the movie. Everybody was enjoying a lot at the beach. I asked everybody to sit down. Now everyone reached the meeting venue on time. Professor asked everyone to take their books out. Now, even in these sentences, you can interchange everybody with everyone. That is also acceptable, perfectly fine. So you can use both the words interchangeably, but the slight difference in usage is just that the word everyone is formal and everybody is casual. That's it. So that was the lesson. I hope you liked it and it was helpful for you. Now I'm going to meet you tomorrow with a new lesson. Till then, take care and bye.